Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice math problem, which is x plus 5. This is equal to x, so this is the value of x. Now let's provide a solution from here. So this is x plus 5. This is equal to x. So the first step is to take x on the right hand side so that we have 5. This is equal to x, subtract x. So this means that 5 is equal to, now we have x minus x, this is equal to 0. And this means that 5 is not equal to 0. This means there is no real solution. There is no real solution for this math problem. What we have is an empty set. We have an empty set. But if a is equal to b, this implies that a to the power of 2, this is equal to b to the power of 2. Now this is to mean that x plus 5 raised to the power of 2, this is the same thing as x raised to the power of 2. Now x plus 5 to the power of 2, this is in the form of a, plus b raised to the power of 2, which can be expressed as a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2 plus 2 times ab. Applying this algebraic identity, then here we have x to the power of 2 plus we have 25, then plus 10x. This is equal to x to the power of 2. Now let's take x to the power of 2 on the left hand side. So this means we have x to the power of 2 plus 25 plus 10x, then minus x to the power of 2. This is equal to 0. Now let's x squared minus x squared, this simplifies so that we have 10x plus 25. This is equal to 0. Now let's take plus 25 on the right hand side, and this means that 10x, this is equal to negative 25. Now let's divide both signs by 10 so that now we simplify here 10 and 10 so that x is equal to, we can simplify also here by 5, negative 25 divided by 5, this is minus 5, then 10 divided by 5, this is 2. So we have x is negative 5 over 2. The next step is to verify if this value of x here satisfies the equation. Now let's verify from here. We have that x plus 5, this should be equal to x. So we have negative 5 over 2 plus 5. This should be equal to negative 5 over 2. Now here, 5 is our whole number, so this is over 1. We have the LCM here, which is equal to 2. So 2 divided by 2, this is 1, times negative 5. This becomes negative 5. Then plus 2 divided by 1, this is 2. 2 times 5, this is 10. And this should be equal to negative 5 over 2. So negative 5 plus 10, this is negative 5 over, negative 5 plus 10, this is plus 5 over 2, and this should be equal to negative 5 over 2. So this is plus 5 over 2, this is negative 5 over 2, so this is not equal. This is to mean that x is not equal to negative 5 over 2. And this implies that in this case, there is no real solution. In this case, there is no real solution. But now if we have the magnitude of A, this is equal to the magnitude of B, or the absolute value of A, this is equal to the absolute value of B. This is to mean that negative 5 over 2 plus 5, this is equal to the absolute value of negative 5 over 2. Remember, minus 5 over 2 plus 5, this is equal to 5 over 2. This is the absolute value of 5 over 2, which is equal to the absolute value of negative 5 over 2. And this implies that here, this is the same thing as 5 over 2, and this is equal to 5/2. So let me know how you think about this math problem in the comment section.